Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to start exploring the basics of CSS and start coding some very basic elements in CSS. So let's start. I've created a folder here in my desktop called CSS Basics for this course. Inside I've made a HTML page called index.html. I'll show you this in Notepad+. Okay, it's a very basic HTML page. It has the HTML tag, the head tag, the body tag, and the title tag. Very basic elements. The new tag I wanted to introduce to you, and which is very essential for CSS coding especially, is the div tag. So that's a div tag. The div tag is basically like a layer on the page. We could take the layer and we could position it, we could apply background color to it, and all this is done in CSS. So let's start putting some text inside the div tag, and I'll just show you how this looks like on the page currently. Let's save it, close it, and view it in the browser. Okay, there you go. It's a very basic page. I'm sure the view source, it just displays a very basic layout of the page in the HTML. Now let's start applying some very basic CSS. Now CSS, like I said before, is there to style HTML pages. So inside the div tag, inside the opening tag, we're gonna type in the words style equals and put in 2 quotation marks. Now inside these quotation marks is where all the magic happens. Now I want to tell you this. This is only one form of writing CSS. This is called inline CSS, and this is happening right inside the div tag. There are other ways to write CSS that we're going to explore later. So just for the fun of it, let's change the font color. So let's make the color red. Okay, save it and let's go. And there you go. See, a basic color is being applied to our text as we applied. This text over here is CSS. CSS starts off with naming an attribute, and then a colon, and then what you want the attribute to be defined, and then a semicolon to end that. Now you could apply more styles after this. For example, you could make the width 200 pixels, the height 100 pixels, and the background black. Save this over here, and there you go. What happened over there? Oh, sorry guys. 200 pixels. Let's reload the page. There we go. This is a very basic way of writing CSS. Now there's an exhaustive list on w3schools.com. If you go to w3schools.com, you say learn CSS, and you can see there's an exhaustive list of attributes, CSS attributes, references for you to be using over here. We'll explore some basics ones in this tutorial, but just so you know, there are other resources for you. See you in the next video. Bye.